Tesla's long-promised affordable vehicle, widely referred to as the Model 2, has been surrounded by speculation, with many claiming that the project has either been shelved or cancelled. Yet, a closer look at technical evidence, insider reports, and market context suggests otherwise. Despite public doubts, there are strong signs that the Model 2 is not only alive but could reach production as early as next year. In fact, Tesla's second quarter 2025 earnings call quietly confirmed that initial builds of the vehicle began in June, with mass production scheduled for late 2025. Although no official pricing has been announced, this milestone represents the clearest indication yet that Tesla is serious about delivering an EV below the $25,000 mark, a move that would reshape the entire industry. The clearest evidence comes from multiple reliable sources. Reuters reported that trial production started in mid-2025 with around 10,000 units already built, while Motor Trend highlighted Elon Musk's confirmation during the earnings call that the new platform remains targeted for late 2025 production. Tesla's quarterly updates reinforce this message, noting that the company continues preparing for new model releases this year, supported by a stable supply chain and expanded capacity. CNBC also revealed that suppliers had been informed of Tesla's intent to manufacture a new mass-market EV under the codename Redwood in mid-2025, with sources describing it as a compact crossover. These developments all point to Tesla quietly but firmly moving forward with its next product line. This determination has not come without mixed messaging. By late 2024, Musk publicly questioned the relevance of a conventional $25,000 car without autonomy, calling such a vehicle pointless. Instead, he redirected attention toward robotaxis, particularly the upcoming Cyber Cab, which he argued would achieve a lifetime cost per mile lower than car ownership itself. Musk claimed that the Cyber Cab would effectively cost around $25,000 to operate but would lack traditional controls like a steering wheel or pedals. Despite this rhetoric, there has never been a definitive statement that Tesla has abandoned the Model 2, and internal activity consistently suggests otherwise. Tesla's engineering leadership, including Lars Moravy, reaffirmed that new models remain on schedule, with production readiness now a matter of final adjustments rather than fundamental obstacles. The strategy is clear: fully utilize existing factory capacity, keep affordability central, and roll out the Redwood platform as part of that vision. Tesla's production numbers also reinforce this case. With over 410,000 vehicles produced in Q2 2025, the company now has the manufacturing muscle to support additional product lines. Rather than delaying launches with an entirely new platform, Tesla appears to be striking a balance by blending current-generation components with next-generation innovations. This hybrid approach avoids pitfalls seen with vehicles like the Cybertruck and Cyber SUV, which face delays due to their completely novel architectures. Tesla's shift in pricing philosophy further reflects a pragmatic strategy. Instead of chasing a headline $25,000 sticker price, the company is aiming to maximize perceived value while minimizing production costs. With battery prices dropping, lithium iron phosphate cells now cost less than $90 per kilowatt-hour, and tax credit programs still evolving, analysts believe the Model 2 could reach the market with a starting price between $20,000 and $25,000, with subsidies pushing the effective price below $15,000 in certain regions. Design and manufacturing advances are central to making this possible. The Model 2 is widely expected to be a compact, aerodynamic reinterpretation of the Model Y, optimized for urban driving and efficient mass production. At around 4.3 meters in length, it will be roughly 30 centimeters shorter than the Model Y, with a slightly lower height for improved aerodynamics. A shorter wheelbase reduces material costs, weight, and rolling resistance, allowing for a smaller and cheaper battery pack without sacrificing practical range. Estimates suggest a base model range of 250 to 300 miles, achievable thanks to lighter weight and reduced drag. The vehicle is projected to weigh between 3,200 and 3,400 pounds, significantly less than the nearly 4,400-pound Model Y. This weight reduction opens the door to widespread use of lithium iron phosphate batteries, which cost substantially less than nickel-cobalt-manganese alternatives while offering excellent longevity. Battery suppliers, particularly CATL, have confirmed that Tesla will be supplied with new generation LFP cells featuring higher energy density, perfectly suited for a smaller, lighter car. Other leaked details point to innovative design choices. The front lighting, for instance, appears to adopt a slim LED strip integrating multiple functions, reducing complexity and improving efficiency. Tesla has patented simplified headlight assemblies with integrated sensors, suggesting that these design elements are not merely cosmetic but part of a broader cost reduction strategy. Large gigacast components for the body panels will further cut costs and speed production by reducing weld points and potential failure points. Another major shift comes with the wheel design. Tesla is reportedly moving toward carbon fiber reinforced polymer wheels, which weigh less, improve aerodynamics, and reduce road noise while costing less than traditional alloys thanks to partnerships in advanced fiber placement technology. Combined with aero-optimized covers and low-resistance tires, these wheels could contribute to additional range gains while maintaining affordability. Perhaps the most ambitious element of the Model 2 is its integration of autonomy. Despite being Tesla's cheapest car, it is expected to ship with the hardware necessary for full self-driving, even if the feature is not activated at purchase. During the Q2 2025 earnings call, Musk revealed plans to increase the parameter count of Tesla's neural networks nearly tenfold, vastly improving the system's ability to handle complex driving environments. Analysts believe this will allow the Model 2 to perform at a level comparable to Tesla's premium vehicles, effectively making every unit robotaxi-ready. This strategy not only future-proofs the car but also creates new revenue streams. Goldman Sachs estimates that Tesla could generate $8,000 to $12,000 per vehicle over its lifetime through FSD upgrades and subscriptions, even if the car itself sells at a razor-thin margin. Manufacturing efficiency is central to this plan. By standardizing production with FSD hardware included across all units, Tesla avoids the complexity of maintaining separate product lines. This also amplifies the network effect. The more Model 2s on the road, the more data Tesla gathers to improve its AI. Beyond autonomy, Tesla is simplifying the interior, cutting luxury features such as panoramic roofs, powered lift gates, and rear seat heaters, while focusing on intelligent cabin systems. These include advanced HVAC modules with smart airflow and integrated sensors for temperature and air quality, features that improve perceived quality without significantly raising costs. The result is a vehicle that sacrifices unnecessary luxuries while delivering efficiency, intelligence, and affordability, exactly what a mass-market EV needs to succeed. Tesla's approach balances affordability with a premium feel, not through expensive trims but through technology and smart engineering. The Model 2 is being designed as a car that looks and feels modern, offers autonomy-ready hardware, and delivers real-world range at a cost accessible to millions. Despite all the skepticism, the evidence increasingly supports the conclusion that Tesla has not abandoned the Model 2. From supplier leaks and trial builds to official statements and expanded factory capacity, the company is quietly advancing toward production. What remains to be seen is whether Tesla can execute this plan quickly enough to capture the mass market before competitors catch up. If it succeeds, the Model 2 could not only redefine what an affordable EV looks like but also secure Tesla's dominance in the industry for years to come.